Saudi Arabia and Pakistan have been friends, indispensable partners, trusted friends for a very long time. We are together since centuries, and since the nation state came around, we've gotten closer to each other. Our friendship is bound in religion, in culture, even though we are two countries with the distance between, geographical distance between them, but we are very close in our hearts. We treasure the custodian, His Majesty of the Haramain Sharifain. The love is in the hearts of the people of Pakistan. The recent visit of the Prime Minister, 2 visits of the Prime Minister, and your visit today, I think, cements those friendships between our people. The establishment of the Pakistan-Saudi Arabia Supreme Coordination Council is very important in the same context that the partnership which we have newly begun, added on to over years and decades of our friendship, needs a council which coordinates whatever plans we have made together.